One thing that we found with my newborn granddaughter is she loves Mickey Mouse. This is such a cute thing. First of all, this is a teething ring. You have Mickey here. He also has 2 more things that you can teeth on here or just play with. Also one here. If you can hear, there's a bell or something inside of them, so it's kind of like a rattle. Very cute. My granddaughter likes to sit and hug him as she's watching Mickey Mouse. She'll be chewing on one of these things. Cute idea. Love Disney. Really love Mickey Mouse. He's so cute.